story broke the next day. Headline news. Big letters, bigger trouble. Without solid backup power, the data center was running on borrowed time. The article laid out the obvious risks in black and white, and missed the one that mattered most, the kind that bleeds money and kills trust. But I wasn't rattled, and headlines never tell the full story. I knew the problem ran deeper, and more importantly, I knew who could make it happen. Kathleen Stott, my trusted associate over at Enersys. Sharp mind, technology-focused. Together, we were going to change how the data center was protected.